This tutorial demonstrates how to extract glyphosate from honey samples. This extraction method can also be used for corn syrup samples. The materials required to run this extraction procedure are an analytical balance, 2 milliliter microcentrifuge tubes, 4 milliliter glass vials with Teflon-lined caps, racks to hold vials and tubes, micropipettes with disposable plastic tips, a vortex mixer, a timer, clean scissors, a single glass vial of approximately 20 ml capacity, and 1 normal HCl. A microcentrifuge is only required if the sample does not mix well into 1 normal HCl. Additionally, a warm water bath can be used to warm honey prior to sampling. First, a half-gram sample of honey must be weighed into a labeled microcentrifuge tube. A clean and easy way to accomplish this is to place the 20 ml vial on the balance, then a labeled microcentrifuge tube can be placed in the glass vial. Tare the balance. Next, with a clean pair of scissors, cut the tip off of a 1 ml pipette tip. This is helpful when pipetting samples of high viscosity. Use the micropipette to draw honey into the tip, then dispense it into the tube. Weigh 1/2 gram plus or minus 0.02 gram. If needed, use a new pipette tip to remove excess honey from the tube. Once the honey has been carefully aliquoted into microcentrifuge tubes, the next step is to add 1/2 ml of 1 normal HCl to each tube. HCl must be handled with care. Wear gloves and appropriate protective clothing and avoid contact with skin and mucous membranes. Vortex the samples for 2 minutes with the tubes tightly closed. In 4 milliliter glass vials, dispense 3.96 milliliters of glyphosate diluent per honey sample. A 30 milliliter bottle of diluent is included with each kit. If needed, additional diluent can be purchased separately. Be sure each glass vial is labeled with the appropriate sample number or description that matches the corresponding microcentrifuge tube. .96 milliliters of diluent can be pipetted by dispensing 4 aliquots of 990 microliters. Alternatively, a larger pipette, capable of pipetting 5 or 10 mils of liquid, could also be used. Next, pipette 40 microliters of each HCl-treated honey sample into its corresponding 4 milliliter glass vial containing 3.96 milliliters of diluent. Cap and vortex the glass vial well. This is a 100-fold dilution. The honey sample is now ready to be derivatized, then analyzed using the Abraxis Glyphosate ELISA kit.